Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial on Breakdance AI website builder. This is basically a highly optimized React power visual workspace that is going to output like an average payload of 286 kilobytes. And you have to compare that with basically the bloated 700 KB plus you're going to get out of the box with Elementor or Divi. So it's gonna handle all of the forms, all of the pop-ups, and all of the mega menus natively, which means that you can strip out 5 to 8 external plugins. But if you don't know how to structure your global presets correctly, or if you depend heavily on a vast third-party add-on ecosystem, you're gonna hit a wall, okay? So I'm gonna show you how you can set this up from scratch. So let's go and let's click on Get Breakdance AI. And by the way, guys, if you don't want to pay for the whole thing altogether because it's kind of expensive, what you can do is you can just Google Breakdance free trial, and that's going to take you to like a hosted demo that they have, and you can use all of the functionalities, no problem. Once you activate the Breakdance, you're faced with your first architectural decision, theme compatibility, or themeless mode. So if you're building like building custom sounds from scratch, I could choose disable theme. That's gonna completely bypass the WordPress theme engine, stopping unnecessary style sheets from loading. Okay, and from here you can just click on get started, and now it's gonna ask you a couple of details about your business. Okay. So you just have to give it like a name and your description of your website or your business. In my case, it's gonna be organic coffee beans. Okay, so I can just click on next. Now you have to go through the category, which in my case is gonna be like an e-commerce and a business. And now I'm gonna have to set up my goals, which is gonna be to sell products online, basically showcase the work, and also provide information. Let's click on next. And finally, you have to select the writing style, which is going to be like friendly, casual, and engaging. And as any other like AI builder, is going to take a little bit, but yeah, it's going to start building your website. So now this is very important, guys. You can select just the bare bones and you can work from there, or you can design a template. Okay, I'm gonna go with a template in this case. And I think this one is gonna look great, so I'm just gonna use this template in here. Okay, so now we're just gonna wait for it to finish. Now you can just click on edit in builder, okay, and it's gonna open it. As you can see, it's gonna open the template. And now, like in any other builder, this is just a matter of editing the whole thing, like the whole text and things like that. If you want to get more personalized tags and copy, you're gonna have to go for Breakdance Pro, which is gonna be costly, but yeah. And from here, guys, you can just click on edit element and you can start editing it. Okay, so instead of saying welcome to our Citadel restaurant, we can just say welcome to our coffee shop. Okay, and you really have to make sure to make this as interesting as possible, because otherwise it's gonna look like a template. The thing about it is that this code is going to be running on React, so it's kind of fast and you're not going to have like a lot of stutter and lag, so that's pretty good. And in every element, in every text, you can include like a bunch of typography differences, and also like conditions or animations, like really a bunch of stuff. Okay, so if you do this, for example, you can enable scrolling animations. And you can select each individual element from this kind of tree in here. Okay, and you can also see the dependencies between the elements. So for example, this text is within this container. That's great. If you're missing some elements in here, for example a map, you can click on add, and now you can basically add a blog or something like that. For example, you can add like an Instagram post or like a Google map, but that's going to require the pro subscription. Similarly, you can add like a post loop builder, which is one of the most advanced features. And that's going to basically make you not log into a rigid predefined layout grid. So you can just build like standard tags, headings, and images, and then you can tell the loop element to pull from your custom query. So guys, before you hit publish, I recommend you check your responsive behavior. So you can click through these and you can check your phone view, your tablet view, things like that. Okay, this is going to be really, really essential. to make sure the work is working fine. Breakdown is going to utilize a mobile first responsive framework, meaning style is going to scale easily across modern mobile devices, okay? But yeah, you can adjust the grid rules and things like that to make it look better. And I, forgot to mention the most important thing, which is the AI assistant. So you can just click in here, you can install the plugin, okay, and you're gonna be able to use the AI to basically, make modifications to this page. All right, guys. So now let's talk about pricing, okay? The baseline is gonna sit at 99 per year, but that's for a single site. If you're looking to manage more sites, you're gonna be looking at $200 a year, and that's gonna give you unlimited websites. If you run a deployment agency, the unlimited tier is gonna pay for itself in your first couple of projects. It lacks the massive, chaotic community plugin marketplace of Elementor, but the performance and the reduced plugin dependency make it a far better technical environment for modern web development. Okay? And also you can just try it completely for free, but that's gonna give you only like the basic features of a WordPress website. Alright? So yep, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.